Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll look at Aventus or AVT. This coin has been on the sideways ever since I believe March 2024, as you can see, and right after that we have not seen any big move from this coin. So in this video we will actually try to look at their Tokenomics 2.0 report, as you can see here. So I did use ChatGPT to actually break it down, so we'll go through that and we'll also look at some of their solutions and what clients that they have. So first of all, this is they have enterprise solution. As you can see, they have supply chain and logistics, they have consumer brand and loyalty and rewards. As you can see, when we check supply chain and logistics, they do have pretty good brands. You can say we have APH, as you can see here. Their director did give them review. After that we have Heathrow. After that we have Energy Web, it is a crypto project. And after that we have Vodafone, as you can see here. Pretty good, I think. So they do have a pretty massive reviews, as you can see here. After that, their another solution is consumer brands, as you can see here. And after that, their last but not least, they have level up customer rewards with Web3. So that's that. This is what that they have going on. Again, if we look at their apps, you can so if you look at the ecosystem, this is the ecosystem basically. So they have various apps here. As you can see, we have lifting, where you can move your AVT from Ethereum to Aventus Network, which is basically layer 1. After that we have move AVT from Aventus to Ethereum. You can also do that. We have their governance proposal, as you can see here. After that they have the Explorer, which is this one. This seems to be a pretty basic one, which only shows transactions. They do have total transactions of 37 million, which is a lot, as you can see here. After that, so if you look at their other apps, they have liquidity mining. You can actually provide liquidity on AVT slash AVT ETH pool, as you can see here. So this is their basic DApps, as you can see. And as for the Aventus token, basically it is used for transaction fees, security, and you can stake it and incentivize staking. Again, as far as governance is involved as well. And AVT has I believe there is a total supply of 10.6 million, with approx 1.3 AVT held in community treasury at the time. So that's something that they have going on. So coming to the main point, which is their Tokenomics 2.0, let's see what it offers. So I did ask ChatGPT to break it down. So we have Aventus as a Polkadot parachain. So Aventus leverages Polkadot for security, interoperability, and scalability. So it aims to support enterprises in structuring Web3 business models. So it is aiming at you can say enterprises. After that we have layer 2 and layer 3. So Aventus is developing layer 2 rollup to increase transactions and lower cost. Layer 3 chains will be built on top of Aventus, allowing businesses to launch customized blockchain solutions for their obviously for their enterprises. After that we have layer 3 chain will use AVT for fees, so that's pretty good. So that means this is an increased utility for the AVT. Again, we have some new utilities. We have transaction fees on layer 3s. We have revenue sharing models will incentivize AVT adoption, and liquidity mining programs. So that's not a big deal, I believe. After that, as you can see here, so there is a supply increase and supply decrease model. We have treasury refill mechanism. We have layer 3 incentive. So basically they will provide funding to layer 3, so that could mean that the supply could increase. After that we have supply decrease as well. As you can see, we have transaction fee burn mechanism, so that's pretty good. They also have treasury cap and buyback model as well. So if the treasury balance exceed 15% of the supply, excess AVT will token be burned to control the inflation. So that's awesome, I believe. After that, stopping delegator stacking rewards. So overall It seems like that in the short term, AVT supply may temporarily increase due to inflation or funding initiatives, but in the long term, the burn mechanism and reduced staking reward could offset inflation and provide net decrease in circulating supply. So overall, that seems to be pretty much the sum of the Tokenomics 2.0. Again, if you look at their blogs recently, let's see what have they done. So on the recent update is on 18th December, which is much low, which is pretty old, I believe. So it is most likely because of that there is no momentum on this coin. Again, it did actually go up, but it has been trading here ever since. So let's see what is happening with this coin. So as of now, we have a pretty good range where if you are planning to actually trade this coin, you can do that. So we have this range around 4.5 to 3.6, and after that it has been actually, I believe, moving at this range around 1.94 to 1.70. So if we want to go up, we do need to break this. So let's just say that if we can go above 3.84 or 4.45, we can actually hit at least I think we can go as high as $7 or even to 11.7 as well. But if we do break this support, we could actually go lower. I think if it does go below 1.7, we could actually retrace this level around so let's see, so it's like 1.4 to 1.34. And if you look at its overall supply, or sorry, market cap, it's not that much. So if we see increase in its demand, the coin I think can easily 2x or 3x, because it only has a market cap of 21 million, which is much lower. And even if you look at its market cap in the past, it has actually gone as high as 65 million. So even if it does go to, let's just say that 100 million, it will be making a big move, and it could actually potentially hit 20 or even $30. But if it does continues to go down, we have a pretty good support around 6 to 7 million, but it is very unlikely because it has not seen that level since 2023, as you can see. But again, there is a possibility that it can actually retest around 14, oh sorry, around 13 to 14 million. That is I think that is a big support that it has. So if it does go low, that means we can go as low as 1. I think 1.3 or even 1.4. I think this support zone is a pretty strong one. If it does come here, I think we will most likely see a pretty big rebound. But again, if we do break out from this support, or sorry, this resistance, we can actually make a new high. Anyways, I think in the end it depends on news. So if they release anything new, or even if they come up with something new, or they make a partnership, it can actually go up. Anyway, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.